Mother Nature has few amazing solutions for us, and tomato is one of them. Find out how to use tomato for skin lightening. Come on, let's check it out. Tomatoes contain vitamin A, B as well as C, and all these vitamins are known for skin lightening benefits. Vitamin A helps in boosting skin cell regeneration, which in turn lightens the appearance of blemishes and acne scars. Excess oil buildup on the skin makes our face look dark. Being astringent in nature, tomato juice helps absorbing the excess oil and freshens up the skin to make it look bright. Then why delay? Come on, let's check out how to use this tomato to make a face pack. We're going to take one ripe tomato, put it in a blender and make puree. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato puree in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. Raw honey works as a natural bleach for our skin. Honey, when applied on skin and kept for some time, releases hydrogen peroxide. Now this hydrogen peroxide has natural bleaching properties that help lightening dark spots, acne scars, etc. This is how it improves our complexion. Let's take a bit of this paste and apply it on the face and rub it at least for 10 minutes. You have to massage it in the circular motion and uplift your face. Slowly massage for 10 minutes. Let this face pack sit on your face for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, wash it with water, cold water preferably, and then wipe it clean. Do not apply any soap to wash your face. Once done, apply a bit of aloe vera gel on it and massage in the upward direction. Repeat this treatment twice or thrice a day to see amazing results. Leave your thoughts in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.